Hey everyone, welcome to Freeze Kids TV. My name's Freeze, and today is the day that everyone's been talking about. It's Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day is the day that you love and care about people. You know, maybe people are really good to you, maybe you have a crush on someone. Or, you know, maybe just in general you want to spread love and joy. So today we're going to be drawing heart emojis. And what you're going to need for this is a regular piece of paper or pencil, but I'm going to be using a red piece of cardboard and also white marker to do our drawings. And if the video is a little bit fast in the beginning, you can always slow it down a little bit. And yeah, if you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel, and let's go. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna draw our heart emojis.
Oh yeah!
So we're gonna start by drawing a heart. And you wanna make sure you draw your heart nice and big. So again, we're gonna have a line that's gonna go up and around, and it's gonna go up and around. So now that we have our two hearts, we're gonna draw the base of the eyes. We'll have a line over here, and one here, and we'll also draw a line here and another line here. And what we'll do next, we're gonna have a line that's gonna go up and around, and we'll do the same here for the eyes. We'll also do the same in this heart. 1 and 2. And what we'll do next, inside of the eyes, we're gonna draw a line that's gonna go around, and we're just gonna fill that in there. And we'll do the same in this eye. And we'll also do the same in this eye. So we'll draw a circle goes around, and we'll fill that in. And this way, the two characters are gonna be looking at each other. So, and this heart is gonna be a girl, so we're gonna draw some eyelashes. So we'll draw our eyelashes here. And we're just gonna color those in a little bit. All right, so now that we got that done, we're gonna give our friend here some eyebrows. We'll go 1, 2, 3, and we'll color those in. And we'll do the same here. Now, we're also gonna give her some eyebrows. So we got one over here, and we're gonna draw the other eyebrow on this side. And what we'll do next is we're gonna draw a character smile and our other character smile. And just to make them a little happier, we're gonna give them some rosy cheeks. We're also gonna give this character here some rosy cheeks, almost like they're blushing, you know? Aww. And I'm thinking we could probably add a little bow, so I have a line that goes up and around. And we'll go 1 and 2. And then we'll do the same here and go 1 and 2. So now we have a little bow. And what we're gonna do now is make our character a little bit happier. So we'll draw a bit of a bigger smile and a line for our character's tongue. And we'll color this area in here.
Why, hello there.
And we'll do the same over here. We're gonna draw a line goes around, a line for our character's tongue, and we're just gonna color in this area here.
Hey, beautiful.
All right. Now, since it's Valentine's Day, we should probably write the word love. So we're gonna draw the letter L. We have a line that swoops up and around, and then it's gonna swoop up and around again. Now we're gonna go backwards and go around, and then it's gonna follow the line going around. Now some parts are gonna be a little bit thicker, and for that, that's pretty cool. It just makes it look a little bit more interesting. And we're gonna draw the letter O, but it's gonna be a heart. So I have a line that goes up and around, and same over here. It's gonna go around. It's gonna kind of look like backwards S. So now we have our heart, and we're gonna draw our V. So the line goes around, and it's gonna point up like that. And then we'll draw the letter E. So we have that here. So now we have the word love, but just to make it a little bit more interesting, we're probably gonna add, you know what? Let's add a heart. So we'll have a line that's gonna go up, and it's just gonna go behind the L, and it's gonna point like that. And we'll do the same on this side. We're gonna go up and around. Now it's just gonna go past the V, and it's gonna join here. Cool. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna connect our two characters. So we're gonna draw a little ribbon. We'll have 2 lines to swoop under. We're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. And we'll do the same here. We're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. So we have the beginning parts of our ribbon, and we're gonna draw the bottom of the ribbon. We're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2. We'll draw a line over here, and it's gonna swoop up. And we're also gonna do the same on this side. We're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, and then a line that's gonna swoop up. So now we have our ribbon, and I think that's it. We're finished our Valentine's emojis. So we're just gonna write our name and 2020. It's always good look. So I'm gonna have 3s over here. And we're just gonna make our heart emojis a little bit shiny. So just add a little bit of detail there. And that's it, we're all done. All right, boys and girls, there we have it. We have our Valentine's Day picture. We have our girl character, our boy character.
Don't forget about love.
Because everyone loves Valentine's Day. So it's a really cool drawing. And hopefully you can give it to someone that you really like. Maybe a crush of yours. Or maybe just mom and dad. Or just someone that you really care about. So definitely was a lot of fun. If you like the drawing that we did today, please like and subscribe to our channel and enjoy your Valentine's Day. Take care and God bless.